Here at DLA Corpus Christi, we fly to ensure the nation's rotary wing aircraft can always be above the best. Our mission is to enable and sustain warfighter readiness and lethality by executing responsive global distribution of aviation repair parts for rotor wing aircraft. We do that by being a primary wholesale distribution point for major components for the Corpus Christi Army Depot, Department of Defense, and foreign military sales customers worldwide. As one of 24 distribution centers, we're part of DLA Distribution, a major subordinate command within the Defense Logistics Agency, the nation's combat logistics support agency. Our warfighter obsession shows in everything we do, and our team works hard to earn the trust of our global customers. Quality is our #1 priority, and we deliver the items the warfighter needs at the right time and the right place. We receive, store, pack, preserve, issue, and arrange transportation fluid, supplies, and equipment. Everything from repair parts for principal end items like small aircraft and helicopters to avionics, electronics, and industrial, petroleum, chemical, radioactive, and other hazardous materials. Our team employs process excellence in everything they do and are true masters of their trade. At DLA Corpus Christi, we strive to invent and simplify, and modernization is at the heart of this. We continue to research and develop ways to deliver the services and support our customers need better, faster, and more cost-effective. Everything we do here is a team effort. Whether we're loading or unloading helicopters and other priority cargo, from aircraft operated by the Air Mobility Command, or providing local delivery of aircraft components throughout the industrial complex. It's a team sport and takes everyone doing their part to deliver the results to our customers. We process, receive, and distribute more than 100,000 aircraft repair parts every year throughout the distribution network and throughout the world to all our customers. At DLA Distribution Corpus Christi, we live and breathe aviation and customer support, and we work hard every day to make sure to deliver what you need when you need it. Every day, we do our part to protect our nation and truly be a lifeline to the flight line.